Morning to all. So we are here now at Vintracon. It's raining retro day 1. It's around 10 a.m. right now. I'll take you to a tour on our merchants. So we have here 88 toys. So you can buy for 100. We have a lot of selections that you can choose from. Toy plushies, Pokemon, and we have here regular apparel, stickers, we have anime t-shirts. Section we have RGLS, cassettes, posters, vinyls. We also accept Gcash. There's some PS2 games, stickers, CDs, cassettes. Got here Lennox records. If you're looking for like a here vinyls na as long as 1.4 mga 2.5 dyan, 800 6 CDs. Yeah, vinyls yun, mga diecast toys. Wheels. From this corner we have here nap parts. There's more stickers. If you like these stickers, just visit with us and visit nap parts. Merchant is sell out clothes, then cotton skin, zodiac sign 50 pesos, one issue, also accept Gcash. Go to this section. We have your t-shirts. Sa mga naghahanap ng mga ganitong klase, kung dito pa ba, trabaho ay version DP Reactulo. Yung mga posters din dito is like hand drawings, white. Mga naghahanap ng mga books, magazines, marami dito. Book for records in the streets. Merchant. Vintage cassette tapes. Polaroid camera. Okay, vinyl. That Japanese 1997. Here, okay, book records of the strip. Okay, next merchant natin here is Zar Collection. Here at game selections, ito umabot na may Bracon t-shirts, looking for hats, vintage caps. Dito tayo, Famicom. Dito tayo sa kabilang section, dito CDs, dollars, Xbox 360, PSP, PS3, dollars, cartridges, McDo toys. British section, Game Boy Philippines. Meron sa dito mga cartridges, Sega, Famicom, Game Boy. Pagkat ng Game Boy, Game Boy SP. Yan, ito yung Tui. May Manila ko na. Pagkat ng Game Boy cartridges. Yan. Super Nintendo, NES, 64. Yan. Meron tayo here, meron coins and banknotes. Ayan sir, sa mga gold paper money, naghahanap dyan. Kapila. Ayan, mga old coins natin dito. Ayan. Meron si sir dito. Pati yung mga sealed din yung mga paper notes. Punta na kayo dito, okay? Merlin's coins and banknotes. Siyempre ang ating sponsor here, Tech Type Trade. Ayan. So if you're looking for unburnied kit boxes, ayan. Meron din mga gaming keyboards, mini mouse. Meron po doon K61. So punta nyo dito sa booth nila si ating partner sponsor, Tech Time Trade. Alright, so we update you later. We're still setting up the free-to-play para sa Shoreview. So, again, we invite all of you to come here. Starting today, June 6 to 9, vintage retro collection.